cheeks, dimple chin, rosy lips, teeth within, curly hair, very fair, eyes are blue, lovely too. Teacher's pet, is that you? Yes, 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 yes. Chubby cheeks, dimple chin, rosy lips, teeth within, curly hair, very fair, eyes are blue, lovely too. Teacher's pet, is that you? Yes, 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 yes. After a bath, I try to wipe myself till I'm dry. Hands to wipe and fingers and toes, two wet legs and a shiny nose. After a bath, I try to wipe myself till I'm dry. Hands to wipe and fingers and toes, two wet legs and a shiny nose. Just think.
Johnny, eating sugar, telling lies. Open your mouth.
Mommy and Daddy, I love you. Come to me when I call you. Mommy and Daddy, I love you. Come to me when I call you. Give me a kiss when I ask you. Mommy and Daddy, I love you.
Three little words that should be here are please, thank you and sorry. At school and play, at home every day.
Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Little Johnny wants to ride. Rain, rain, go away.
Keeping clean. I wash my hands with soap and water before and after I eat. And every morning and every night I remember to brush my teeth. I have a bath every day and twice in the summer heat. So I am